In the name of God. I'm Rosa and I'm going to teach you how to make a knot pillow. In this video, I'm going to show different fabrics that you can use for this kind of pillow. The first one is this kind of velvet that I used before. But the main fabric that I'm going to teach this cushion with it is this kind of velvet. That's Korean velvet, and it's for dresses. It's stretchy and thick, so it's proper for our work. Other fabrics that we can use is a kind of tricot fabric that's Korean. Its name is Vals. It has different colors, and it's so good because it can stretch, and also it's thick. This one is a purple one of that tricot. The other fabric that we can use is a sweet fabric. It's not that much thick, so I don't suggest you to use it. This one is another kind of fabric that we can use. Its name is Dior. It's thick and stretchy. It has different colors. As you see, it's a gray Dior. That's proper too, but it stretches a lot. This fabric is crepe fabric. That is stretchy too. And this one is a satin crepe. That's not as stretchy that much. The measure of cutting fabric for sewing the rope is depend on how much your fabric stretch. For example, the fabric tape that I cut from this fabric is about 18 centimeters. Because it does not stretch a lot, but this fabric I cut it 17 centimeters, and this one is also 17 centimeters tape cut, because it stretches. But another fabric that I can show you is this gray Dior. It's so stretched, so I cut it just 16 centimeters. And these Dior's 17 centimeters cut. Thank you for watching.